Hey guys, today I'm going to do a demonstration on how to steam clean your vehicle. I wanted to show everybody out there how to clean a car properly. So there's a lot of different ways that different detailers like to clean their car. There's a lot of different methods out there, but we have found this to be the most effective. So whenever you're cleaning your vehicle, there's a lot of different products out there to do it. If you go to any automotive store, you're gonna find all kinds of different products. If you look online, there's about 1,000 of them to choose from. What we have found to be the most effective is to actually steam clean the vehicle by using a commercial steam cleaner. What it does is it cleans effectively, and it also sanitizes the surface. So obviously with what we've been through here recently in the last couple of years, cleaning and sanitation has become even more important in the detailing industry. So we have chosen to make the investment in good commercial steam cleaners to actually clean the surface of your vehicle properly and to sanitize it. We don't use harsh chemicals and solvents to clean the inside of your vehicle. We choose to use steam, which is actually going to clean and sanitize properly. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we do that by steam cleaning the inside of a small portion of the vehicle in here and cleaning out the tracks. So as you can see, we have a really disgusting, we're working on a minivan today, and this is just really common. We've removed the seats from the vehicle, and you can see there's just a lot of caked on dirt and grime right here. And I mean, if you try to just wipe this up, you might get some of it, but you're still going to be left with a lot of just debris and disgusting, whatever that is. Here's a really good portion right here. Like, the only way that you're going to get this out is by steam cleaning it. So I'm going to show you how we do that today. So after we've completed the steam cleaning, I'm just touching everything up with a vacuum. So then you can just take a look at it and really see the difference. So in these really tough areas, it's nice and clean now. You've got the tracks of your van or whatever vehicle you're working on, they're gonna slide better. So that's how we detail and steam clean the inside of your vehicle. If you like this content, check out some more of our videos at limelightdetail.com, or you can also check out our YouTube channel. Find us on YouTube at Limelight Detailing. And if you'd like to book your appointment, you can give us a call at 208-391-3455.